Hi, my name's Colin, and this is Colin Talks Crypto. What I'm going to show you in this video will be shocking. Nothing in this video is financial advice. This data is modeled from the data from the last bull run. Most visual comparisons are done using a logarithmic scale, which hides the extremes. In this visualization, we're going to look at a linear graph representation of what the current bull run might look like and where we are on it. What you see here is the current cryptocurrency market capitalization for all coins as of August 2019. Notice where the peak of the 2014 bull run was. You can barely see it on a linear graph. Each bull run this happens. The previous peak gets dwarfed into obscurity by the massiveness of the next bull run. This is why people view the price cycles in a logarithmic scale, because it allows you to see the peaks despite the exponential climb. We are going to extend the graph to the right to account for a few more years on the timeline. Next, we're going to increase the chart area to display more space. If we overlay the 2014 to 2017 bull run on top of the current price cycle, you can see that it looks similar in many ways. Let's scale it so that it lays on top of the current price cycle more closely. There. Now, keep in mind that on the right side of the graph, this is not the peak of the bull run. So let us keep adding the past graph data to see what it would look like on today's chart. To do this, we'll need to further extend the chart area. This is what the last bull run looks like on today's chart. We are here. Shocking? Perhaps, but this is exactly what happened in 2016 before the run-up. It is worth noting that the peaks and valleys may become increasingly large on its way up to the next final peak. There will be many who call the top prematurely because of the magnitude of these peaks and valleys. Some of these peaks and valleys may be as large as the entire past bull run, and yet still be small in relation to the entire run-up to the next peak. I hope this puts things in perspective of what a crypto bull run can look like. There are, of course, many factors that can play into the price of an asset, so this is merely one way of modeling the price with a single dataset of past prices for comparison. If you claim this imagery is false, my response is, this is the graph from the last bull run overlaid on top of our current bull run. It has already happened like this before. History may not repeat, but it certainly is possible. If you think this is impossible, today the entire market cap of gold is valued at $7.5 trillion. Despite what people like Peter Schiff think, cryptocurrency is superior to gold in nearly every way. The only thing cryptocurrency can't do is make physical objects such as shiny jewelry or circuitry. The rest of cryptocurrency's features, the ones that matter the most, are far superior than gold from everything from scarcity to predictability of supply, to transportability, to security, to programmability. Try programming a piece of gold and see where it gets you. Try transporting a piece of gold over a border and see how much you can carry, or how the Border Patrol allow you to do so. Cryptocurrency is far superior to gold in nearly every way. If your only argument is that you can't touch or feel crypto, then I ask you to expand your mind to a possibility that physicality is not the determining factor in value. Scarcity and utility are. The internet is useful and it is not a tangible thing either, but it has tremendous value. Cryptocurrency is analogous in this regard. Don't get me wrong, gold will likely have its place for many decades to come. This is mostly due to its many thousand years of historical use, not because it is a superior medium of exchange or store of value. Gold has a first-mover advantage that will take time to unseat. In the decades to come, cryptocurrency will be gold's successor. Even the caveman's wheel will eventually be replaced by hover vehicles. It just requires looking to the future and not being stuck in the past. Elon Musk is a great example of this. If you think cryptocurrency can't reach trillions of dollars, let's put this in perspective. Base money is valued at $28 trillion. Bank money is valued at $50 trillion. All government bonds are valued at $58 trillion. Stocks are valued at $116 trillion. Real estate is valued at $290 trillion. All derivatives are valued at $1 quadrillion. That's 1 with 15 zeros. Enjoy the bull run.